Looking to upgrade your electric bike or build your own e-bike from scratch? In this video, we've picked the top 5 best bike hub motors that offer the perfect balance of power, durability, and value for money. Whether you're commuting daily or riding for fun, these hub motors will transform your biking experience. Number 1. 14-inch electric bicycle hub motor wheel. Hey everyone! Today I've got an absolute speed machine for you, the ANNOYBIKE 14-inch electric hub motor wheel. This is a high-performance brushless motor that delivers between 1,500 watts to 3,500 watts of power. And the speed? In one word, insane, up to 120 kilometers per hour. Thanks to its brushless design, it runs super smooth and quiet. With 1,200 RPM rated speed and powerful torque, the riding experience is seriously next level. It supports 48 volts, 60 volts, and even 72 volts, so you've got flexibility for different setups. Plus, the 135mm open size means it fits most standard frames with no hassle. All in all, if you're looking for speed, power, and reliability in one solid package, this ANNOYBIKE hub motor is definitely worth checking out. Number 2. Bofong 750 watts e-bike conversion kit. Is your old bicycle still gathering dust in the corner? Well, it's time to give it a powerful upgrade. I'm showing you the Bofong 750 watts e-bike conversion kit. This kit can transform your 20 inches or 26 inches fat bike into something completely new, faster, stronger, and more fun to ride. With a 750 watts brushless gear hub motor and 48 volts of power, it delivers amazing torque, perfect for snow, sand, or hilly terrain. City roads? No problem either. It's available in 3 versions, Basic, Standard, and Ultimate, which includes a hydraulic brake sensor. Each version comes with its own display, so your ride stats are always in front of you. Installation is super easy, and price-wise, it's quite affordable. Bottom line? In terms of performance, features, and price, it's an excellent package. Looking for a powerful upgrade? Then definitely give this one a try. Number 3. ANNOYBIKE 20-inch 48 volts hub motor wheel. Looking to power up your e-bike or electric rickshaw? Then this one's worth checking out, the ANNOYBIKE 20-inch 48 volts hub motor wheel, available in 1000 watts or 1500 watts versions. This is a brushless, non-gear hub motor, which means less noise, less maintenance, and smooth performance all the way. Whether you're going for a front drive or rear drive, it's built to handle tough roads, heavy loads, and long rides. The 20-inch pneumatic tire adds extra comfort and shock absorption, making it a solid pick for daily commutes or commercial use. With 48 volts power, you'll get impressive acceleration and strong torque, perfect for e-bikes, cargo trikes, or electric rickshaws. Installation? Straightforward. Pricing? Pretty reasonable for the power you're getting. If you want a reliable, high-power upgrade with minimal fuss, this ANNOYBIKE motor kit is absolutely worth considering. Number 4. Little TT 48 volts 1000 watts electric fat bike conversion kit. Is your old bicycle not performing like it used to? Then it's time to give it a powerful upgrade. We're reviewing the Little TT 48 volts 1000 watts electric fat bike conversion kit. This kit is perfect for turning your 4.0-inch fat tire bike into a powerhouse. The 1000 watts brushless, gearless rear hub motor delivers incredible speed and a smooth riding experience, quiet, low vibration, and super efficient. It comes with a temperature sensor that prevents overheating, and thanks to its 48 volts power, you get consistent performance, whether you're riding on snow, sand, or off-road trails. Since it's CE certified, it's also safe and reliable. And because it's gearless and brushless, you'll need far less maintenance. Installation? Super easy, even beginners can set it up at home. And with its affordable price and premium features, this kit really stands out. This isn't just a conversion kit, it's a new life for your bike. Packed with power, reliability, and smart features, you'll be impressed by what the Little TT 1000 watts kit can do. Number 5. RICETOO 72 volts 5000 watts electric fat bike conversion kit. Looking to take your biking to the next level? Let's talk about the RICETOO 72 volts 5000 watts electric fat bike conversion kit. This kit comes with a powerful 5000 watts brushless, non-gear rear hub motor, designed to transform your 20 inches, 24 inches, or 26 inches fat tire bike into a high-performance e-bike. The 72 volts battery delivers impressive power, making it perfect for tough terrains like snow, sand, and rough trails. With a 170mm rear fork and 88 controller, this kit provides smooth acceleration, amazing speed, and top-tier durability. Plus, the motor's design means you won't have to deal with the hassle of gears. The kit is CE certified, ensuring reliability and safety. Installation is easy enough for most DIY enthusiasts, and with this kit, you get more power and control than ever before. Bottom line? If you want power, speed, and versatility in one package, this is the upgrade you need. Try the RICETOO 72 volts 5000 watts kit and feel the difference for yourself. Here are our top 5 picks, carefully selected based on our personal research, ratings, reviews, quality, and durability to ensure the best choices for you. We hope this video has been helpful. If you found it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Stay tuned for more amazing product reviews, and thank you for watching.